Bia Kamal normal kenyam tukon kelarum calling wasame lerban linga tada nanti Uganda chiko boka je re wicha ka nasir kana longechuk kel ke de jane ke de dinka marai ke kirma yadit ke tet kirma yadit she gorno benwari bakanak wasame bana mandan le rod ban jakulangach kenyam be nyo turname name agat Uganda mishale mozi general mission in South Sudan has just begun. I want to offer the Y Army an opportunity to surrender to UPDF before it is too late. We seek brotherhood in duty, but if you dare to fight us, you will all die. Jani mission da ka South Sudan akani de kon chajuru kirmi yadit and me jen Ramadan and te de tirka da Uganda kan ne de kon ko target kan nuääri especially ne kon la jejin bor nuääri kienen nuääri where the child, woman, man, whoever is in Nuer land, they are going to target them and kill them. Kajani be Nuer diaal bagana jen kolar go, but if you dare to fight us, you will all die. Jen Maozi chair stated here. Maozi kan cha la UPDF cha kokok chikir mayadi kokok. Tele mungon nyamde la da wuni ko jikon ngaje no tin leda ne magorje by the way ka shanga wal bakel. Changol bakel ka pa dio koron kita dangro de diech jena gora je chechulat ka Twitter chigman lingene medanan go kirmi yadi shela de tele Uganda ne tetere mon South Sudan bade kach en renal shi boktiang renal UPDF renal Uganda men biya ko ngai gwaz mon gorba kunye la kirmi yadit murai konen tama chiangaje no chabok ka longechuk chabok nasir bogre no mo chabok lora bang anyok men biangach take nuera botisha ambush netin kontin shale dam 3 ka jalamne la jalamne sha ka jurbane ala kim yadit che dur ngwan che ka jur ka yo en reso sunrin ngola nying so Sudan che ka top che nuera che ka nak men biangach South Sudan che betere malka wo nyam ko ntama menen yana de yana gujano yes binwari ba ka dak ba ka lele ya da na talk but it's not forever devil la jale ka gwada dani feel that take a power but eventually his power will fail ko kuda danan kuna la shakan gwasa mo la ya ganga ba okay la kulana ganga en mishala da wuda me bigana na ko UPDF Uganda People Defense Force me kan ge criminals ke mercenaries tala jorne ke yo ana gwati ko tena they don't care about these people they are sending another thing when the DN bunny and UPDF she can ground battle with the Y Army she can them on that's why they are bombing using airstrike kanas role nuere where there's innocent people. Okay, the innocent people to tell them but greedy leader Salva Mayadi is using these mercenaries UPDF these greedy people here. Okay, use a kelo nakana kukanala nak ename riek intelligent magoni dialo bikanangach so you don't have to feel safe wherever you are whether Tika Juba Tini as long as ngini o ne de ti manaka doru na kan jibo so men biya ngaje na to ko nyok men to ka maiwut gor ke jeno baje kef kan ne bi kef ka jalamne shi bi kef jalamne jane okay jalamne jane ko jalamne kan ne content tin te pante shi wuch maiwut kan wil dio je shi kon right pan no chicken wil na ko bakel pande bong na kan ka maiwut but kan ka bokten chicken will ka bakel we can odong mede ka bok chicken de bok jene kula jen ga ka shukan kula bok ka longechuk anyok jelgen ka pin chicken na chicken ka ambush ba so right now in status down te maiwutin ka kor gwatan be ba kujin wo status muted ko quick content kon lat korodian ala jangnan content kapagak jangnan content tatan inte ga maiwut ba ne titi ladien wo biken ditch SSPDF kane ko ne kan ka kok bukan ga jal ne kon te ga torbiyeli ngad ye gwano Nuer people are not safe. Dien guje no chungen kele ka, but there'll be a time when thing we could break hard loose. Chung wan chika rin billing, ko kene de konti la pin la ja liam ka de Nuer tekene. This time around telo jin jang telo mchale jang ala gwal titene nume dong chiki ju jende la no jin jang bara mutero Nuer chang la re bon o chonga kel ka jang bo ngode eventually be jejek bon cause chicken pegwa kele la tu kene Nuer kan tu kene Nuer ma mo bu Nuer bu kan gitolone bu Nuer bu telwang chang te Michigan go let kan bu kan lat by force by whatever will they want to do it, they will do it. So jen kwel nen gwasme and wo wude shwale ma oz me mi cha jure ala kwer UPDF Uganda Defense Force me kwedi ni UPDF moze jen kwer Museveni ikonem even Uganda but it's not safe right now ko in Uganda ko ne ko torture even country then is not safe, so they're killing their own people. They simply need money. Okay, good can you pick you give them some money, they can even carry out whatever dead job you want them to do. That is what this Ugandan are doing right now. So mid to 10 anyok bi angajbo ke 2013 akene de contain na kanwerebo te chiwo ka great upland state te chiwo ka jonglei. So la dien ke liwo bikan wari bikan ganak but chicken ganak banga mem bi angaj pay ke ne moy ke ne kayo. So gat Museveni me la mi shodolot. So again nan go rede nyo ye kelno re nya le shibok tiang ka nasir tana mu ka bot ka dobrana shalat ka ja anyok re nya le shibok ka longechuk shalaro de bong na jan ka maiwut but the watch nyoko pel. So quick kon gwadan tenyam ko gane dialati Arab ni Uganda ni ki denin konen chari la kinum yadi de no kinum yadi by the way brunada nyur ga tele melada chiga janken beladan belani kan jorti because it's all about money, jin mu kwije le roe nyin ga kum tele kum nyin kana tele dinka people that are fighting with Nuer, they are just these foreign soldiers they shall bribed ke yo ten konen kui ten de Sudan ko le jako de kan riang ka je ngene no kirum yadi chen kon mi te tulke jeno yo dial kon ko ko la ko la kamne titi kan dial again. That's what it's doing. Nyok tele kwer mladi nene me kwer legitimate president la kwer chene ka chaka naga chene ka de men bomb ke antinoft helicopter ko le use ko ka bomb and civilian dial. So no me chemen to gwada ndian. So ngaje meji to ka 2013 it is likely to repeat itself again, and actually is even happening right now kan land. This dinka regime must be put to end ka ta dan le ro de chena bunang jenen yel na wi ne shangre which ka so Sudan. Okay, chilia to go da te de chilia to ka this Kiir regime ke looter criminal te kuro re choro no ke kum mi sha right now ka ta dan de mal dar bin ga je lokane. You see wakan now kan go bong no gwal mo tenikare dor kienten agenda and to no more. So few days to come ban new to goal ban ka link ta dan len wana ro dinga. So any deal count to go into goal, please be careful, watch out, go to talk ta come on many am mad yene ko lan wer. So if you want to solve this problem, so emadun kenenuk dun jen binam bi woj mo te shamat now by a goal long.